channel. It's gonna be a very exciting video because I am doing a comparison between two of my most favorite bags in my designer bag collection, and it is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the YSL Toy Lulu. I absolutely love both of these bags. I don't think I can see my designer bag collection complete without any of these. If you want to see which one I prefer the most between the two, then please keep watching. Right guys, so actually I have done a full detailed review for both of these bags on my channel. So if you are interested, you can check out those. So let's talk about Alma BB first. This bag I have gotten last year. I was eyeing for this bag for a long time. It was always out of stock. Finally, I saw it online one day and I ordered it. It's a beautiful bag. It's a classic from Louis Vuitton. It has been there years and years and it will never go out of style. As you can see, I got it in the Damier Ebene version because I absolutely love this print from Louis Vuitton. And actually when I got this bag, I did not own any other Damier Ebene Louis Vuitton print. So this is actually my first Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene bag. If you have seen my other reviews, I keep mentioning this, that I am somebody who doesn't like to carry a lot of stuff on a day-to-day basis if I'm going out. I only prefer a big bag for work or travel, but other than that I prefer a compact size bag, and the BB size for the Alma is so cute and chic. At the same time, it fits everything that I need on a day-to-day basis. This is a perfect size for me from Louis Vuitton. I was actually deciding between Speedy and Alma, but then I chose Alma over Speedy, reason being this is a structured bag. Speedy is not that of a structured bag, and actually I like the shape of this bag a lot. I think this is a very versatile bag because of its structure. It can be a great evening bag. At the same time, because it comes with a shoulder strap, it can also be a good casual bag. Love the versatility of this bag. Also, it comes with these 4 feet, so if you're putting it down, it's not touching the actual leather, which is great. It is very durable as well. I've used it so many times. I've actually taken it in rain as well, and I don't see any wear and tear on the bag whatsoever. So this is a great option from Louis Vuitton. On the interior, it is all red and it is one large pocket, and you can fit so much into it. I think it's a good size bag. You can actually put a lot inside. Now let's talk about the Lulu line from YSL. This is the toy version of the Lulu bag, but actually the good part about Lulu is that it comes in all different sizes. They have a toy size, then they have a small, a medium, a large. Based off your need, you can actually pick a perfect size for you in the same line. And as I mentioned, because I don't like to carry a lot of stuff on a day-to-day basis, this was the perfect size for me to go for. Also, when I got this bag, I was looking for a great everyday casual bag. That is why I went for the black as well as silver hardware, because I feel when gold gets added as the hardware, then it makes the bag more formal instead of casual. And I wanted this bag to be extremely casual so that I can carry it pretty much anywhere I'm going, to the park, to the beach, or even for a lunch or a brunch. So this was the safest color to go for. That is why I went for the black with the silver hardware. As you can see, it is all quilted and very squishy. At the same time, it holds its shape. It has its own uniqueness to the bag. I don't have anything of this sort in my collection, which is what I like. I want each of my bag to be unique in itself and serve a different purpose. Another thing that I really like about this bag is because it's squishy. When you put your stuff in, it actually stretches, so it can help you put more stuff in the bag, which I really like. At the same time, it is very light in weight, so the bag itself is not carrying much of weight, which is great, because when you stuff the bag, then you will have added weight to it, and if you're holding the bag for longer hours, then it will be harder to carry that weight, right? So it's a very lightweight bag, and actually it can hold a lot of stuff as well. This bag also comes with a shoulder strap, so you can make it a shoulder bag as well as a crossbody. At the same time, inside is a partition, and then there is a zipper at the back, and there are 3 card slots here. So if you don't want to carry your wallet, you can use this bag as your wallet and put your cards directly inside. So when it comes to the con, the one thing that I have with Alma BB is because it is so structured, so even if the zipper is open all the way through, it's very hard to get stuff out of the bag, especially if you're just putting it on your shoulder and trying to find the stuff. You have to actually put the bag somewhere, and then it'll be easier to find stuff, especially if you have smaller things in your bag. But that does not bother me. Actually, I prefer the structure of the bag much better, and actually I really like that even when the zipper is completely open, it's not like it's just open, right? It's still shut and you have to take the stuff like this. I like that the bag is more secure and also holds its shape. That's great about this bag. When it comes to the toy Lulu, I don't have too many issues with this bag. This is a great bag. I have carried it so much, but I don't see any wear and tear whatsoever on this bag. But at the same time, the only issue that I have with this bag is that shoulder strap is not that good quality. I feel it is very thin and flimsy. So I just don't like that about the bag. But other than that, this is a great bag. I love carrying it everywhere. I've also gotten this chain from Amazon. And sometimes instead of the shoulder strap, I use this chain on the bag and it adds a beautiful accent to the bag. I absolutely love it. At the same time, because metallic chains have a weight of their own, so it definitely adds a bit more weight to the bag. So be mindful of that. When it comes to the price of the bag, I have the Louis Vuitton website open here, and the Alma BB is currently retailing for 1860 Canadian dollars plus taxes. Louis Vuitton has increased their prices twice or thrice, I think, within the last year. So yeah, definitely the prices of the bag have gone up. I remember last year when I got this bag, it was 1700 something. So yeah, there is a price difference, but still I feel this is a great investment. If you want to get a designer bag, I think you should definitely check out the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. Reason being, this is a classic. This will never go out of style, and it is very versatile bag as well. For the toy Lulu from YSL, the current price is 1665 Canadian dollars plus taxes. At the same time, I think you can get some discount on this if you buy the bag from another website like Farfetch or My Teresa. They have discount codes going on pretty much all around the year, so you might save a couple $100 on this bag, which is great. I actually got this bag from Farfetch and I got a 10% discount, and it was not 1600 at that time, so I think the bag costed me 1300 something when I bought it. You can check out that option for sure. Alright guys, so now let me quickly show you what all I carry on a day-to-day basis and how it fits in both of these bags. So let's start with the Alma BB. I have all the stuff lying here in front of me, whatever I carry on a day-to-day basis. So the first thing will be my phone. I'm just gonna put it here. Is, as I mentioned, it's just one large pocket, so everything goes here. There are no partitions as such. So the phone is there. Then I always carry my Louis Vuitton key pouch. This actually acts as a wallet as well for me. So I carry my cards inside as well as my car keys. I actually have a full detailed review on this key pouch as well. So in case you are interested, it's up on my channel. So the phone is lying like this, and then I'm gonna put it right above the phone. So like that. I always carry a face powder just in case I want to touch up during the day, and this is a great option. This is the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. This is a blotting powder which I recently got. I love this especially for spring and summer to have a quick touch up in case there is shine on the face. So I always carry this. I put it like that. And then I always carry my AirPods because I love listening to music. So these are always there in my bag. I'm just gonna put it on the side like that. There is the AirPods. And then the other two last things that I want to carry is a lipstick and a lip balm. This will always be in my bag. So I'm just gonna put it on the side. And that's pretty much it. That is what I need. If I want my sunglasses, I can still put it inside the bag. There's still a lot of space left. I can pretty much put it here. So this is all what I need on a daily basis. And as you can see, it stuffs it all really well. This is a great bag for me. Now let's do the same thing. Let's try fitting all of that stuff into the toy Lulu. So first thing is my phone. I'm just gonna put it in the front slot here. Then the next thing is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I'm just putting it on the back there. So this is the key pouch. This is my phone. And then my powder. I'm just gonna put it in the front slot so it goes perfectly fine. And then my AirPods, I'm also stuffing it on the front. So there goes the AirPod, this is the powder, the phone, and here is my key pouch. And then the last two things are the lipstick and the lip balm. So I can just put them on the side, probably like that. So the lip balm is here and the lipstick is here and the key pouch is there, and it is pretty stuffed. And as you can see, it actually fits all my essentials really well as well. And it shuts properly. As I mentioned, because it is squishy, it helps a lot in putting all the stuff inside. This is pretty much all what I need on a day-to-day basis, and it fits it all. When it comes to which bag I prefer and if I have to go for only one bag, which one I'll choose, it is very hard for me because I absolutely love these bags in my collection. But if I have to choose one, then definitely I'm gonna go with the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. As I mentioned, because this is such a versatile bag, it can be a great evening bag as well as it is because of the shoulder strap, it can also become a great casual bag as well. And plus it is a classic, it won't go out of style, so it is worth the investment. At the same time, even the YSL toy Lulu is a great option. I think this can be a great first designer bag, especially if your style is more towards casual wear. Then this is a great bag. I think you will never go wrong with the Lulu from YSL. Alright guys, so I hope this helped in your decision making in case you're considering to buy one of these bags. If you own any of these bags, then please let me know what do you think about these and which one do you prefer out of the two. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with many such bag reviews on my channel, so stay tuned. And until next time, bye guys.